What if I told you there's a simple secret to making Eroxon Gel work even faster than you ever thought possible? Imagine getting the results you want in just minutes, not hours. But here's the catch. Most men don't realize that the way they apply Eroxon Gel makes all the difference. In fact, there's one tiny mistake that almost everyone makes, and it can completely ruin the effectiveness of the product. It's not about using more gel or applying it more often. It's about understanding the right technique. Right inside. Timing, and following the instructions exactly as they're meant to be followed. If you want to experience the full power of Eroxon Gel, you need to know this crucial step. Let's uncover what most men are missing. If you've ever felt like Eroxon Gel is slow, inconsistent, or not working properly, there's a high chance it's not the product, it's how you're using it. Eroxon Gel doesn't work like pills you simply swallow and forget about. Instead, it's a topical solution, which means you apply it directly to the skin. This difference is crucial, because the method of application directly impacts both how well and how quickly the gel works. Unlike pills that need to be digested and processed by your body, Eroxon Gel starts working right at the source. But here's the catch: if you don't use the right technique, you might not get the results you're hoping for. That's why understanding the correct way to apply the gel is so important. In fact, this is exactly where most people mess up. They overlook the instructions, rush the process, or use too little or too much, affecting the outcome. Here's the mistake: rushing the application, using too much, or expecting instant results without giving it time. These small things can completely reduce its effectiveness. When it comes to using Eroxon Gel, it's important to follow a few simple but crucial steps to get the best results. Many people make the mistake of rushing through the process or not paying close attention to the instructions, but taking a few extra moments can make a big difference. So, here's what you should do instead. First, always make sure you're applying the gel exactly as directed on the packaging or by your healthcare provider. Don't just guess or apply it randomly. Take a moment to read the instructions thoroughly, and follow each step carefully. This ensures that the gel works as intended and helps you avoid any unnecessary issues. Second, use the correct amount of gel. It might be tempting to think that using more will speed up the effects or make them stronger, but that's not the case. Stick to the recommended pea-sized amount. Using too much can actually reduce effectiveness or cause irritation. So remember, more doesn't mean better. Third, after applying the gel, give it a few minutes to activate. Don't rush the process or expect instant results. Allowing the gel time to work is key to experiencing its full benefits. Use this time to relax, breathe, and prepare yourself mentally. And most importantly, stay relaxed throughout the process. Anxiety or pressure can interfere with how well the gel works, so focus on keeping calm and comfortable. Take deep breaths, clear your mind, and let your body respond naturally. Remember, pressure and stress can slow things down more than you might think. By following these steps and maintaining a relaxed mindset, you'll give yourself the best chance for a positive experience with Eroxon Gel. When you fix these small things, you may notice a smoother response, better consistency, and overall improved results. So if you want Eroxon Gel to work faster and better, don't just use it the right way, because sometimes one small fix changes everything. It's not about using more Eroxon Gel, it's about using it correctly.